Why do some people amass wealth effortlessly while others struggle to make ends meet? What is this powerful wealth secret? Let's talk about the wealth mindset, a concept that separates the financially successful from those who are not. This is not about having stacks of cash or a fleet of luxury cars. Rather, it's about financial freedom and security. It's about having the ability to make choices without the constraint of limited resources. See, the wealth mindset is not about being rich. It's about thinking rich. It's about having a positive attitude towards money and financial success. It's about understanding that wealth is not a finite resource, but something that can be created. The wealth mindset is the belief that you can attain financial success. After you watch this video, you will be more prepared to build wealth from nothing. The first step to becoming a millionaire is changing your mindset about wealth. Why do you think self-made millionaires emphasize the importance of education? Let's delve into that. You see, education isn't just about textbooks and classrooms. It's about gaining knowledge and understanding of the world around us, which includes the financial world. By educating themselves about personal finance, individuals can make informed decisions about their money. They can learn how to budget effectively, how to invest wisely, and how to manage debt. Knowledge in entrepreneurship can open doors to creating multiple income streams, further bolstering their financial standing. Investment education is especially crucial. It's like a compass guiding you in the economic wilderness, helping you make sense of market trends and investment opportunities. And remember, education is a continuous journey. The financial world is ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and practices can be the difference between financial success and failure. So never stop learning. Remember, knowledge is power. Do you have clear, actionable financial goals? Now that's a question worth pondering. Setting financial goals is not just about dreaming of vast wealth, it's about creating a detailed plan for your financial journey. Imagine yourself as a captain, steering your ship through the vast ocean of financial possibilities. Without a destination in mind, you'd simply drift aimlessly. That's where financial goals come into play. They provide direction, a target to aim for, a place to drop anchor. But it's not just about direction. Goals can supercharge your motivation, acting as the wind in your sails, driving you forward even when the waters get choppy. They provide a clear focus, allowing you to channel your efforts effectively. Think of your financial goals as milestones on your journey to wealth. They're not just about reaching a certain figure in your bank account. They're about growth, progress, and ultimately, fulfillment. Financial goals are the roadmap to your financial success. Are you in tune with the economic trends and market conditions? The world of finance is like a vast ocean, forever in flux and just as unpredictable. But that doesn't mean you can't navigate it. Staying informed about economic trends, market conditions, and financial news is akin to having a compass on this ocean. It's essential for guiding your financial decisions. Think of it like this. Would you set sail on an adventure without checking the weather? Unlikely. Similarly, in our financial journey, understanding the economic climate is crucial. It can help identify the right investment opportunities, foresee potential risks, and plan for the future effectively. Economic trends can affect the value of your investments, your job security, even the cost of your groceries. Staying informed isn't just about making money, but also about protecting what you've already earned. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the world of finance, it's the power to grow your wealth and secure your future. Stay informed, stay ahead. Do you know where your money goes each month? Let's talk about budgeting, a fundamental tool for financial success. A budget is like a roadmap for your finances. It guides you, showing you how far you've come and where you're headed. Imagine you're on a journey, but instead of a destination, you're aiming for financial freedom. Your budget is your GPS, helping you navigate your spending, saving, and investing. Budgeting isn't about restricting what you spend, it's about understanding and controlling it. It's about making sure you have enough for the things that truly matter to you, whether that's a dream vacation, a comfortable retirement, or simply a sense of security. It's also an essential tool for planning your future. By setting aside a portion of your income now, you're investing in your future self. You're ensuring that you're prepared for whatever life throws at you. Remember, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you are, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content just like this. Thank you for your support. Are you relying on a single source of income? Let's talk about why that might not be the best strategy. Having multiple income streams is like having a financial safety net. It's about preparing for the unexpected and being ready for opportunity when it knocks. Imagine this. You're walking on a tightrope. With only one income stream, you're balancing without a safety net. But with multiple income streams, you've got a net to catch you if you stumble. A job loss or unexpected expense can shake your financial stability, but having diverse income sources can help soften the blow. Think about the possibilities. Rental income, dividends from investments, a side business, freelance work, royalties from a book or invention. The more diverse your income, the more secure your financial future. And remember, it's not just about survival. Multiple income streams can accelerate your journey to wealth. Don't put all your income eggs in one basket. Diversify and let your money work for you. Do you know how to make your money work for you? Investing is not just about multiplying your wealth. It's about creating a sustainable source of passive income. It's about planting seeds today that will grow into a forest tomorrow. It's about taking calculated risks today to reap rewards tomorrow. You see, money is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as useful as the hands that wield it. When you invest, you're not just storing your money away, you're actively using it to generate more. You're giving your money a job, and its job is to work for you. Investing can seem daunting, especially when you're just starting out, but don't let that deter you. With the right knowledge and a strategic approach, you can navigate the world of investing with confidence and poise. Remember, every great investor started from square one, and just like them, you too can learn the ropes, make smart decisions, and grow your wealth. Investing is the key to financial freedom. Are you prepared for a financial emergency? Let's talk about a crucial aspect of financial planning, building an emergency fund. Imagine this fund as your financial safety net, ready to catch you when life throws curveballs your way. Having an emergency fund gives you the luxury of time, the time to make thoughtful decisions rather than hasty ones driven by financial stress. It's your personal financial buffer against unexpected expenses, be it a sudden job loss, an urgent home repair, or a medical emergency. But how much should you save? A good rule of thumb is to aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Start small if you must, but start. Remember, it's not about having a lot right away, but about consistent saving and building it up over time. An emergency fund isn't about hoarding money, but about financial security and peace of mind. So let's start building that nest egg today, because an emergency fund is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Are you drowning in debt? It's a question that echoes in the minds of many, but let's flip the script and talk about why paying off debt is so vital. You see, debt is like a chain. It ties you down, restricts your freedom, and adds an unnecessary layer of stress to your life. Imagine the feeling of being debt-free. It's like taking a deep breath of fresh air. No more worrying about interest rates, late fees, or collection calls. You're free to focus on building wealth rather than paying off past purchases. Paying off debt is a strategic move towards financial freedom. It's not just about having more money, it's about gaining control over your finances. Every dollar you put towards your debt is a dollar invested in your future, a step towards breaking the chains that bind you. Remember, the path to wealth is not just about earning more, but also about owing less. Debt is the biggest obstacle to financial success. Do you live a lifestyle that you can't afford? It's a hard-hitting question, isn't it? But it's an essential one to ask if you're serious about amassing wealth. One of the most effective strategies to increase your wealth is to live below your means. Living below your means isn't about denying yourself every luxury or comfort. It's about being smart with your money. It's about understanding the difference between what you want and what you need, and prioritizing the latter. When you live below your means, you avoid unnecessary debt and create opportunities to save and invest. Remember, every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can put towards your financial goals. Over time, these savings can grow into significant wealth. It's a simple concept, but it requires discipline, planning, and the ability to resist the allure of instant gratification. Live like no one else now, so later you can live like no one else. Embrace the power of frugality today and reap the rewards tomorrow. Are you investing in yourself? That's the question we often forget to ask ourselves, but it's crucial. Improving your skills is an integral part of the journey towards wealth. It's not just about the money you have in your bank account, it's about the value you can bring to the table. The world we live in is constantly evolving, technology is changing, industries are transforming, and the skills that were relevant yesterday might not be tomorrow. That's why it is essential to keep learning, keep growing, and keep improving. This could mean taking up a course, learning a new language, mastering a software, or even reading a book. Every bit adds up. The more skills you possess, the more income potential you have. You become more valuable in the marketplace. You open up more opportunities for yourself. Remember, you are your most valuable asset. Investing in yourself, in your skills, is the best investment you can make. It's an investment that pays off now and in the future. Do you know the power of networking? Let's take a moment to explore this often overlooked wealth secret. Networking is not just about collecting business cards or attending events. It's about cultivating relationships and forging alliances. It's about connecting with people who can open doors to opportunities you might not even have imagined. Remember, wealth isn't built in isolation. It's built through connections, through mutual support and shared insight. It's about tapping into the collective intelligence and resources of your network. It's about finding mentors who can guide you, partners who can support you, and friends who can inspire you. Networking is about more than just a business transaction. It's about creating a web of interconnected individuals, all working together, all supporting each other, all pushing each other towards success. It's about understanding that every person you meet is a potential ally in your journey towards wealth. So, reach out, connect, and remember, your network is your net worth. So, are you ready to start your journey to financial success? That's the question we've been exploring today, and I hope the answer is a resounding yes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Remember, your journey to financial freedom starts today. I will see you in the next video.